Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my modulation tutorial. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And in this tutorial, we're going to try to answer the question, what is a musical modulation? Here's the definition. A musical modulation occurs when the process of changing from one key to another is performed. Now, what do we mean by changing from one key to another? Let me give you an example. If we were in the key of G major, our major chords would be G, C, and D. So we might play something like if we were in the key of A, the chords would be A, D, E, or A, D, and E. Those chords are the 1, 4, and 5 chords of the key. Now, how do we perform a musical modulation? Now, there are many ways to perform a musical modulation. I'm going to give you a couple of examples. If we wanted to get, say, from the key of G major to the key of A major, how would we do it? Here's one idea. If we go G, C, and D for the key of G, we could go to an E chord, which is the 5th of the new key, and then start our new key, which is A, D, E. So let's play that. Here we go. So here's the demonstration. We're going to go from G, C, D, and back. When we go up this time, we're going to land on an E major chord. Now our new key, A, D, E. And that was a nice sounding transformation from one key to another. Let's do another one. Now, if we want to just make an abrupt modulation, we can use a chromatic modulation, which would be G to A flat, like that. Here's how we would do it. We'll start with a chord on the fretboard, like this one. This is a G form. We're going to go to C, like that, and then D, like this. Now our new key will be A flat, D flat, and E flat. So what we're going to do is play our first key. Then go back, raise it a half step. Now our new key. I hope this tutorial has answered some of your questions about musical modulations. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.